Actually eating gelato, and the gradient of the cup in the gelato actually matched the gradient of the spoon, so when I scraped it, I actually got every single drop of ice cream. It was the best ice cream experience I've ever had. And it was actually because of that, just that kind of consideration that can go into products just to make them that much nicer than any other one.
At school, I really liked design and technology, which is hands-on, wasn't sitting down and just studying. The whole idea of pulling things apart, how they work, interested me as well. And so looking at industrial design at UNSW, it was really suited to my interests and way of learning. So the staff is probably one of the most invaluable resources available to you, and you can ask them anything, you can go see them whenever, and they are willing to help you.
FBE in general has a really good reputation for the calibre of students that it produces, but on top of that, I actually just really enjoyed the UNSW experience in my first degree. So I love the lifestyle, I love the university, I love the campus, I love everything that it offers, so I just thought, let's do my second one here as well.
Really good about industrial design is you have this idea and it's like you're either solving a problem or there's something that's not out there that you're like, oh, this would be a great idea, and you get to actually turn that into a reality and create something. But I did do an internship last summer, and that was for an engineering company. So even though I studied industrial design, I could use my skills using CAD, SolidWorks, which is programs engineers use, and use that knowledge, and I worked designing conveyor belt systems for underground mines and things. So it kind of shows how much industrial design can go into sort of any area.
One of my favourite projects was actually in first year, where we had to design lighting based on emotion. And it was a really great experience because we got to take an idea that we had from inception all the way to full production. So I actually ended up designing a light that was made out of a flat sheet of polypropylene that you actually folded together to make the light. And it uses regular IKEA components the whole time, so there's no kind of barriers to entry. Literally, you would actually just buy a whole sheet, fold it together, and just chuck an IKEA light in and have a light to go. You have all these ideas, and actually seeing a physical model that's working is just incredible. It's really, really exciting. My interest in cycling was, it was next level when I was in Copenhagen, because everyone cycles there, and all their infrastructure, all their products, all their clothing, everything is about cycling, and it just makes it one of the most sustainable countries in the world, and they're the happiest country in the world. And so after my degree, I'd actually really love to get into cycling accessory design. So there are really, really cool accessories in the market at the moment. I think one of the best products that's come out that has just completely revolutionized cycling is a helmet that it's actually an airbag scarf, so you tie it around your neck, and then if it feels any kind of jolt, just like you would in an airbag in a car, it actually inflates to cover your head.
And I'm really interested in Africa, so working in developed nations and solving those sort of problems, but then again working in high-end design. So Cape Town is the design capital of the world at the moment, so it would be amazing to work there. So do something you're passionate about, and then definitely go to the graduate exhibition at the end of the year, because it showcases each discipline, and you get to see what you're working towards the end.
There are going to be certain subjects that you won't enjoy as much, but it's always good to remember to learn for learning's sake. Having extra knowledge than you actually need, you're never going to regret it, and it's never going to be wasted.